How can you benefit from exercise? Well, I can think of three ways. Number one, you will look better. After 14 weeks, you will lose weight. Guys, you will gain a little bit of muscle. But it's even more subtle than that. Have you ever noticed somebody was healthy without even knowing who they were? About a month ago, I was talking to a young woman about elderly health care, and suddenly she turned to me and asked, "Are you a runner?" But I wasn't on a track. I was in an office building. I wasn't wearing a running shirt. I was wearing a button-down shirt. And I didn't know this lady. There was no reason for her at all to think that I exercised. Yet she did. And this isn't the first time someone has asked me that question. So here's my theory. I believe as humans, we might be hardwired to notice healthy people. Subconsciously, we realize they have a lower respiratory rate and better posture. It's just a theory. Let me know what you think. Number two, you will feel better. You will have more energy. You will have these natural chemicals flowing through you, serotonin and dopamine. In fact, if you took all the advantages of exercise away today, tomorrow I would still hop on my bike and exercise because I enjoy it. No, I didn't enjoy it when I first started exercising, so I don't believe it's some genetic thing that some people have and others don't. And you too should enjoy exercise. Three, you will be better. What do I mean by that? Well, there's all the boring health reasons for exercising. It will reduce the chances of you dying prematurely. It will reduce the risk of getting diabetes. It will increase your HCl, your good cholesterol. And of course, it'll build your muscles and bones and joints. So after 14 weeks, people will notice that you've changed. Let's get started.